what happens is when you give a child a phone or a gadget, the child is going to be put on autopilot mode. Whatever goes into the mouth gets swallowed. They don't really process the taste of the food or the flavor of the food, which also limits the child's oral motor movements of chewing, masticating the food, and then swallowing it. So basically, the child is not literally appreciating the food for the texture of it, the look of it, the taste of it. They're just gulping it down, right? This is also going to leave the child with a primitive motor plan of eating. They're not going to progress in trying new varieties of food. You're actually making the child a picky eater unknowingly. Not that you want your child to be a picky eater, but trying to feed the child new food using gadgets, you're converting them to be a picky eater, because all of a sudden, one fine day when there is no gadget and he has to eat on his or her own, then that food becomes novel. It becomes like a foreign food. Like when we go to a foreign country, what is their delicacy may not go well with us. Not because it's not a good food, it's only because we are not familiar with that. For me, with sushi, I say that in almost all the sessions I do. I can't. Maybe if I tried 20 times, I probably would like it. But the fact that I've never tried this all my life, all of a sudden, if it is introduced, I don't really appreciate it. But for many people, that is a delicacy, right? So similarly, when children are not exposed to it, that food becomes foreign and they don't really appreciate it. So this is what is the mechanism that happens behind picky eating and eating with a gadget. Now, how to help the child come out of it? Start any one meal a day without the gadget. That one meal a day, or maybe even once a week if your child is too picky, should be something that the child loves to eat. It can even be with a junk food. The fact is, the goal here is to get a child to eat on their own. You can't have 2 to 3 goals working on at the same time. It doesn't work. So pick any one goal, focus on that. If you're aiming to get your child off the screen time, start with that once a meal, once a week, go to one meal once a day, and then go to 3 meals once a day and all meals once a day. This is how you go about gradually getting them out. Don't abruptly stop. It can be overwhelming if they've already got addicted to it, but you can gradually help them come out of it.